one. Me there, Jada Kingdom, baby. What go on?
Realize that your love sure, and I just show you cocky tongue.
Then I must.
But now ask if I see my miss calls, cause I have patience.
You have patience, baby.
Stop calling so rude.
Jada Kingdom, I miss your videos, baby. I've been waiting a year for your videos, baby. You don't understand how much it means. Like, I was waiting in your premiere just to watch your music video right now. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, and guess what? Me our first man for react to that video here. That's Tyler that way here. You see me? I say Jada Kingdom music video gonna drop right now. Name long term, people. I mean the premiere. Watch us tell you. Oh my word! You know you go see the people them comments. Jada Kingdom. People, it's a boy Tyrekevlogs. Subscribe to the channel. Yo, you see how early with the thing? It's a premiere now. I'm gonna react to it now. Like the video, people. Subscribe for the first time there. You see me? I say, nobody not do it like me. Let's get 10,000 subscribers, people. We're going to see what Jada Kingdom I do with the heavy queen. Jesus. What Papa Jesus, man? Boy. Catch up back to that. So we'll go on in the comment section. Play them song, yeah. The comment section will go on with a bag of chips. This countdown will kill me. Me too, baby girl. I'm waiting. Watch them. Me comment to me there. Me there. You see me I say? Me there. No man, this long. Jada Kingdom. This is 3 long. Wrong bang. Look at them something there. And some man in the comment section and go on so. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Me there, Jada Kingdom, baby. What go on?
Realize that your love sure, and I just show you cocky tongue.
Then I must.
But now ask if I see my miss calls, cause I have patience.
You have patience, baby.
Stop calling so rude.
Jada Kingdom, I miss your videos, baby. I've been waiting a year for your videos, baby. You don't understand how much it means. Like, I was waiting in your premiere just to watch your music video right now. So, ladies and gentlemen, please share the video so Jada Kingdom can see this and know that I've been waiting on her for. Let's get to the video.
Good boy. Oh, your butt so only God. No.
Wow. No, no. I saw Jada Kingdom. Don't get it twisted, people. I said wow because I saw Jada Kingdom. Not them ugly man them. You know what I say? No man. She me come here for say. Got you.
You know next up is some deep and decent loving. When you text me already.
Oh, is that man?
Just a prayer so you
why
don't
you
let me in.
Jada Kingdom, man. You can't do them something here, Jada Kingdom, man. What if you let them pan man put the head there so and have man a weapon foot leg?
No trouble. Boy, your dick tough like bell buckle. So what you expect me for the plus? Me appreciate the fact that you no come, so do so come pop.
Jada Kingdom. No, baby. You can't do them something here, Jada Kingdom. Imagine me wait for the premiere for watch ya. I let them pan man bolo. Me wait for the premiere for watch ya. Let them pan man. BBC. Jada Kingdom. No.
But no friend. First time I see me no say. You did I go get my pussy.
You see, them man they are fish, them man they are sprat. Them man they are fight each other while you do the stuff. Them man they show you the attention. Them man fight, them man sprat. You have me right here, so Jada Kingdom, me a move so. It's alright.
It was not a mistake. Making you my love, cause you deserve it. Your cocky did look too perfect. Boy, you make me feel
impress you, try impress you.
worthy.
Me don't care if no man try impress you, Jada Kingdom, man. Me not. Yo, my head a chip. Man, I play tag and war forget you. I mean, they are so. Only them know, say. I'm me, I like your city. I'm done talking. Watch it video.
I'm on this long term. Yeah, me need you long. Johnny, on me. Don't itch, fi send it up in me, tummy. Tell you.
Alright, my day has been made now. She want my long journey. You know what I mean? And she, so. I feel better now. I feel better now. You see me, I say? I feel better now. Got you now, yeah. I can smile now, yeah.
Me and them on from back. You
Wow.
Till everybody said it's a
No, me no want to see no man. Me no want to see that.
Excited. Like me never see body in my life yet. When you deliver it.
Stop cut to them scene with them brother, you know, man. Me no want to see the brother Jada Kingdom, man. You me want to see with a big fat sexy ass and a big firm boobs. Me no want to see the brother with no lass and no half a lass and the man some African looking frock skirt bullshit.
Like consignment. Then you show me all big man lively. And that's why from the first time you see me no say.
Wow. Alright, guys, let me stop before that joke and let me just react to the video the right way, you know. But for a real big man, Miss Jada Kingdom, them man they no baby girl. I mean, let me react to the video for a real mess though and start the fuckery now. Because the video actually legit and nice. I'm like how tag one so far. You see me?
Was not a mistake.
Yeah.
Baby, I'm a love cause you deserve it.
Yeah.
Your cocky did look too perfect.
And then man, I hope them brother don't feel offended to the thing, yo. You see me? I say, I don't know, so some react to things. They understand my energy this. And so how me do things, you see me? So the man them nobody feel now, yeah, that's how it go. My energy up on a different level. When the camera turn on, trust me, it's a different person. So the man them, my apologies. Me calm it down now. I react to the video itself. Big up to Jada Kingdom, she perform. You see me?
Boy, you make me feel worthy.
See there? She perform her thing.
Long term. Yeah, me need this long term. The things that you do to me, I can't stop thinking about you.
Yeah.
Ever reminiscing because you give me good
Yeah.
fuck. Yeah. And that's why you walk along so.
So after must go on some after we get some good. After you get your salt out, you don't know so if you go on like so you're general because we know say yeah, me put on the fatty there, me mash up fatty. She can't move. You see me? Yeah. Def. Same so. Got you though.
Things that you do to me, I can't stop thinking about you. Ever reminiscing because you give me good fuck.
Wow.
And that's why you walk alongside. The first time when you did see me.
Jada Kingdom comment. May I drop a comment? My reaction is going live right now. See, she drop a comment on it there. Got you though.
You didn't forget my punani. Your dick did look big and juicy. You get twinkle front cause you deserve.
So she actually said the first time me see her, so what she has said to other people, the first time when me I go see she, me I get her punani. Me I get twinkle punani. Twinkle, my day. But I need to stop it. Every time I say I get serious with the thing, because I just my energy people. You have to understand. My energy is different, trust me. Oh, got you.
My body firm up and sturdy. You say I'ma make you feel worthy. You couldn't wait till you're
I'm gonna fight over one star.
So you need this long term.
Wow.
Long time, you need it.
The video long. How long the video be? 10 minutes? Bombardos. Not my video. I'm not saying I'm going to be around 14 or 10 or 30 minutes. But I thought this video itself, I won't pay. Well, no, I'm not exaggerate. Then 4 minutes. The man you fight over a woman, dog. Jada Kingdom looking sexy as always, though. Shout out to everybody with the video, what do call it again, the concept or whatever. I like the storyline. I like everything that's going on with it. It's just the fact that Jada Kingdom and my woman and the man you fight over my woman. I have a problem with that, but other than that, everything look good so far. You understand me? Yeah, go through though.
Yeah. Long time, you need it. Stop calling so rude, boy.
Okay.
Oh, your butt's only God, no. The first time I see you mean no say.
Me vexing her. Me still vexing her. Because from the press play, from the premiere start, baby. From the premiere start. Me see all of them for man Long John. From the premiere start, me see all of them for man Long John, you know. It's alright, man. Got you.
You did a go get my pussy, and it was not a mistake. Making you my love, cause you deserve
So which part you give me? Right side of the bush?
You look too perfect, boy, you make me feel worthy. I'm on this long term.
We done.
This long term.
We done. Shout out to everybody who do behind the scenes, who do all this. As me, I say right now, I'm going to edit this and drop it up. No. So smash the subscribe button. If you never subscribe yet, like the video and make Jada Kingdom see this. Anyways, I saw the support thing of people. I'm out.